Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Wrangler thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. Next, locate the thermostat housing, typically found near the upper radiator hose connection on the engine block. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Taking these steps ensures you are ready for the task ahead. With your engine cool, position a suitable drain pan beneath the radiator. Open the radiator drain cock, usually a small plastic valve, to begin draining the old coolant. Allow it to drain completely to minimize spills. Once drained, carefully remove the clamp and detach the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. This step provides clear access to the housing bolts, preparing you for the next stage of the replacement. Now unbolt the thermostat housing, typically held by 2 or 3 bolts. Gently remove the housing and the old thermostat. Take time to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces on the engine block and the housing, removing any old gasket material. Install the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, often with a small jiggle valve facing up. Then, replace the gasket and reattach the housing, tightening bolts to specification. Reconnect the upper radiator hose securely and close the radiator drain cock. Begin refilling your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, pouring slowly to avoid air pockets. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed air. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Finally, check for any leaks around the housing. For more great deals and the link for those darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.